Hello everyone, I'm Kat. Welcome to my channel. You have arrived. This video is an unboxing video of Curly Lox Box, so if you'd like to check it out, please do hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Curly Lox Box is a monthly subscription, so once you have subscribed and you have become a part of the Curly Lox Box family, you're going to have a box mailed to you once a month, and inside that box you can have anything from curly hair care products. Sometimes there might be beauty products in there as well, maybe some beauty tools or some curl tools like a scalp massager. Sometimes we've had like a satin scarf in there, like satin scrunchies, and maybe like beauty products. There's been like lips scrubbers before. There's been different cleansers for the face, moisturizers, and then of course curl products, gels and mousses and creams and leave-ins and masks and oils and like so many different things. So you never really know exactly what's going to be in there. I always know for sure that you're gonna get some hair care products because that's the whole focal point of this amazing monthly subscription. All right, let's get unboxing. Here we go. Ooh. So inside the box here, it always comes with an insert card. Right here, this is a super fun one. I was lucky enough to be a part of the Curly Lox Box photo shoot. See me in there? See my face? Where am I? Where could I be? So this was really super fun to be a part of this. And also big thanks to Summer, that's Summer right here, for sending me this month's box. So I'm so excited to jump into this with you guys. So let's hop right into it. I'm gonna give you guys a sneak peek in here. So here's what it looks like. So there's a lot of fun stuff in there, and it's packed really nice and tight so everything gets to you super safe. Right here on the top, we got some of these really wonderful under eye for depuffing, little collagen. Guys, right here, I believe, yes, collagen and eye mask, anti-aging and wrinkles. Who doesn't love that? I love that and I need it. All right, moving on. We have this beautiful set of earrings right here. Those are absolutely gorgeous. And let's see, this says details, by Curly Lox Box. And here on the back it says, I'm worthy of good things, I'm worthy of love, I'm worthy of my dreams. And it's really nice about Curly Lox Box, whether it's like on the index card or some of the actual items that you receive in the box, there might be a really supportive or inspiring quote or a little saying on there. And I really do enjoy that about Curly Lox Box. I'm not sure what this is. I'm excited to find out. This is a satin cap right here. I feel like you can never have enough of these. Okay, we are down to 2 items left inside the box, and they are the curl-friendly products. Ooh, this is a moisture replenishing mask. It is from Better Natured. All right, so we got the hair mask, and then lastly, this item right here is the moisturizing shampoo. So we'll be able to get a good scrub and clean of our scalp. Super excited to try this out too. I always love getting masks. I can never have enough masks. I always seem like I run out of masks. This is super awesome. Thank you so much everyone for hanging out with me today and checking out this unboxing video for Curly Lox Box's February box. And if you are interested in getting more details about Curly Lox Box, I went ahead and put the link in the description box below. So check that out if you're interested. And I hope that you guys will come and join the Curly Lox Box family, and also come and join me on Instagram, where I share more daily hair care products, items from Curly Lox Box, as well different techniques and stuff I do with my hair, incorporating all the tools and the beauty products and the hair products from Curly Lox Box and so much more. So thanks again to Summer Shaw for sending me February's Curly Lox Box. I am so excited to have been such a big part of it. And thank you to all of you guys for, again, hanging out with me. I hope you guys will come and join me next Monday or whenever for another video, because life is kind of crazy right now. But I hope to see you guys really soon. Take care.